Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode, I guess we will just continue with the hubs, taking down the small let's say scoring marks made of the lip on the seal, bearing seal. Just clean it up a bit. And then it's basically all about preparing them for paint. So let's go. So again, here we have the result from the previous episode. So this one have been completed with 600. I might do a little bit more. And this one is I haven't done any work on this one. A lot more. So I will go to the lathe and get started, and I will start with 600 and then make it finer and finer. So I think I will settle for this. There is still a small edge, but I don't want to take down the material anymore. So this will have to do. I tried to take off at least the high spots so that the new bearing doesn't catch on anything, and it seems fine. So I will finish the other one. So this is the result from today. It was a bit scary taking care of these surfaces, but yeah, I was able to do it and it looks quite good. So I don't think I will have a problem, at least on the front. There might be something going on, at least on this one, the rear right. The left rear is better, so we will see what happens, but this will have to do for now, at least. So another step forward, another step towards having reassembled front and rear uprights with hubs, etc. So hopefully, or maybe not. I'm hoping that I can start a painting session quite soon. We will see. But until then, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.